si Kuya Pogi. Guys, sorry pala. Ano yun eh? Yung video ko yung part 1. Ito nga pala guys, part 2. Right now. Kasi ka lang nangingay ng pinapanood ko. Nanonood pa ako.
Wait a minute!
I need to create a smoke screen.
Oh damn! So much smoke! Where are you going again? It will be very, very bad for you. I'm coming! Wow! There they go again! Hiding! Just you wait! Hey! Where are you going again?
Hi, friends! Look, it's a surprise egg! Should we open it and see what's inside? Yeah?
Strike the pop! Strike the pop!
We'll open. Let's say I
Gonna lose it!
2, 3. It's a pretend apple and a pretend.
Ha-ha! Come here!
What could that mean? Maybe the alligator is so hungry and his favorite food is apples.
Guys, practice mode nga tayo.
Maybe the
Kasi
alligator
ay,
wants to learn to
practice.
balance an apple on his head. I wonder how to do that.
No way! Me doing homework! Me and study just don't go together!
So fun. But this isn't the answer. Keep thinking. What could this mean? I know we can figure it out together. What letter does apple start? Yeah, A. What letter does alligator start with? Yeah, A.
Where are you going again?
Boss won't heal it.
so sloppy!
G, gorilla. H, hot.
Wow, there you go again! Come on, get it together! Time is ticking!
Oh no, friends!
Where are you going?
With the letter A on them. Can you help? Jump with me! Jump on. Hey! Which is next? Which one do we jump to next? Jump on. Hey! You got it! Whoa! That's not the A! Jump on. Hey! Uh-oh. This is getting tricky because this is a lowercase
I'm coming!
Yeah! Jump on. Hey! Which one now? We're almost there. Jump on. Hey! We need it to be lowercase a. Now the ground is rainbow clouds. Jump with me on the rainbow clouds. A unicorn. What sound does A make? Yeah. Can you do that? Put your hands up and open. Hands in me. Hands up and open. You did it. What's the alphabet A? Walking around with our puppet friends, and we saw an alligator. We like go, ah, alligator, ah. And we sang,
What kind of circus is on the ice?
A says apple, A says nut. A says nut.
Which group has the letter? Yes, it's the Which group has the numbers? Yes, these are numbers. That's right.
Another surprise game. Let's say our special lips open it because we want to see what the surprises are. 2, 3, and 1. Wow, it's opening. Oh my goodness. I see a toothbrush.
Kalang pa. Wala pa si nanay. Weh. Hindi. Come on.
Darn it, the front door is locked. Mom probably has the key. Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window. I just need to create a reason for Mom to open it herself.
There's another miss!
What if I turn the exhaust hood off?
Ayan, ano pa?
Thank you for helping me get out of the flood. So Elon and Mr. Alien. Astronaut. No. Astronaut.
How guys? Ano? Guys, dito na nga nagtatapos ang video natin. So, teka lang, itin lang natin. Teka lang. Bye.